Wish I was dead and cold. Dead. Wish I was dead and cold. I forgot what you look like. Treating me damn childlike. Treating this like a movie, but this is real life. I wish to tell you everything that I dislike about you. And everything that you do, you made me wish that I never ever went up to you. You made me wish that I'd sat down and thought it all through. You made me wish I had another party 2 and 2. But I don't know what to do for the rest of my life. I mean, everything I had lined up to you was my wife. And everything I do just makes me wanna grab a knife and cut down to the bone. That's what I do when it is dark at night. And that's what I think is what is gonna happen. Breath on my neck, you should be off the fashion. Ref, throw the flag, this girl just broke my heart. Now I'm losing all my progress and I'm going back to start, man. Damn. Wish I was dead, cold. Dead. Wish I was dead and cold. Wish I was dead. Pain all the time, just wanted to go away. Anytime, anything to be okay. You were a dime, it was all a big cliche. Now I'm going down a stairway. Get it? To hell? Cause that's where I belong. If that wasn't the case, then why would I be writing songs? And I'm sorry that I can't be very strong. Seems like everything's a little thing I did wrong. And well, sorry that's the case. If I really wanted to, I just couldn't see your face. If I really wanted to, I could get out of this place. And I don't mean travel, I mean go straight to my death place. Going in blindly, man, I was looking mindless. Coming out, both of my eyes are looking